Welcome back to the dumbest modeling channel on all of YouTube, Pitstain Hobbies. You're in the firehouse with Pitstain today. Look at these cool patches I got with my jumpsuit I just got. Yeah, I just got a new Ecto-1 Ghostbusters movie accurate flight suit in the mail. I'm very excited about that. I did a video on the channel, but we're here to talk about the awesome Fanhome Ecto-1. We've got issue 13, and me being me, I already lost the magazine. It literally got delivered today. I opened it up. There was a binder in there. I throw the binders out, but whatever. And the magazine, and I moved it to the office, and then I came down here, and I can't find the damn magazine. But don't worry about it, because we use the website from my buddy Todd, my Ecto-1. I was just on my Enterprise D. myecto1.com. And he has very detailed instructions on there. Also, you can download the PDFs from the Partwork Central Ghostbusters Ecto-1 by Fanhome Facebook group, and click the links below to get to Fanhome to check out the Ecto-1 before it's gone. I mean, sooner or later, they are going to stop selling partworks. They've always got to make room for more new stuff. Old Faithful will only hold out so long. So let's dump out 43 here and just dive right in. By the way, stickers are always available. Extra special commenters can win a limited edition Pitstain Hobbies keychain, and also check out the Amazon link below for all the tools and stuff like these cool duckbill pliers I just got. They're pretty nifty. I get most of my tools and equipment on Amazon. Paint supplies I usually just try to support some hobby shops that are local or family owned, which I'd recommend. Free gift number 5, display base. According to issue 13. I already have a display base, so if they send me another one, if somebody needs one, shipping won't be cheap, but I'll be happy to send it out for you. Okay, so we got to put some speakers on here, and this is left, and this is right. It's good we have one each. This is the right speaker grill. I'm gonna probably snap that right into place there. Left speaker grill, snap that into place there. And then we're going to secure with EP screws, which are right here. So we're going to need 4 of those suckers. There we go. And I'm going to get those screwed in to these 2 bosses on the back on each side, and we'll be right back. Okay, we got those screwed in, so we're going to take our dashboard. And this is the left side wall, so we're going to put that, there's a center peg right there. Thank God these are black parts on a gray background now I can see. And we're going to put an IP screw here and here. And then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Exactly the same. So I'm going to get those screws in. I will be right back with you. All right, so stage 43 is now done. We've got our little kick panels with little speakers in there. Wow, the Ectomobile had quite the booming sound system. Kick panel speakers, rather advanced for, I don't know if that was stock in a 59 Caddy or not. But there we go. Yeah, that is one sick dashboard. I love it. Okay, well, we're going to get on to stage 44. Floor stuff. I'll be right back with that. All right, so here's stage 44. This is one big, giant floorboard. I mean, suckers, let's see. I can count these here. This thing's almost, what? This thing's over 8 inches wide. That is a big hunk of floor right there, and transmission tunnel. And we got just this one little Ziploc bag with 2 little parts. And throw the baggie out. Now there's a little black thing and an even littler silver thing. And that's the one we're concerned with right here. We're going to take this little peg and we're going to put it through this little hole right here. And it's got a bit of an angle on it. So you want to go with the... Oh! I hit them. I got to go hunting. I'll be right back. All right. After a little crawling around on their hands and knees to find this tiny little silver thing, we've shoved it in the hole. It's never a dull moment here. And that's it. We're going up to 45 now. We're going to put in some carpets, floor mats, or whatever they are. Might as well just grab them since we're right here. Okay. Very nice. Let's take a look at these. 45. Unbagged. Everything is self-contained in the little plastic clamshell here. Got some AP screws and some IP screws. And a whole bunch of 3M sticky stuff. And we've got, oh, these are real rubber. Oh, that's nice. And they got the Cadillac logo in them. This looks very ambulance-ish. They probably go over here. Yeah, that's probably that. Let's see here. Gonna fit the front. Okay. So we gotta stick this little fella down with an IP screw. This is little like speakers, they call them. So that just, oh, come on, dumbass. All right. Okay, that wasn't in the first few minutes of the video, so we're fine. That just goes on there. There's a little hole and a peg. And we gotta throw an IP screw in the back of there, and I'll be right back. Alrighty, so now we're gonna put down the rubber floor mat, like carpet things. It's rubber floor mat. It's, you know, nice. It's very ambulance-y. I'll tell you that. It looks pretty in character. We're gonna take these 3M strips, and we're just gonna lay them down like so. And there we go. Just like that. Then we're gonna take one of these floor mats here. Oh, come on, now you don't wanna come out of your home. There we go. And we just gotta lay those down on there. So I'm just gonna peel off this sticky back, and I'm gonna lay these fellers down so you can all see what they look like. And I'll be right back. Alrighty, this side's pretty straightforward. This side, you've got this little notch here. And you wanna get that over the little, I think that's the button for the high beams. And you wanna get that over that. Oh, you have a little time to move these around. You wanna make sure you get them laid down nice. Okay, and pushed up all the way so your screw holes are clear. See this one, I got it a tiny bit crooked, so I can just kind of sort of peel it up again and remaneuver it if need be. Hold on a second, I'm a total dumbass. There we go, and there we go. Nice. So our little rubber floor mats are there. Well, floor liners more like. You know, this was before, what was it? Oh, geez. Now I can't remember. What's the name of the super duper floor mats? Okay, whoever names the super duper floor mats in the comments, you know the ones. I have them in my truck. I can't even remember the name. Here you go. Oh, no. If you name the floor mats, you're getting the new bloody fridge magnet pit stain hobbies. Look at that. Fridge magnets with gore. All right. So now that that's done, we got to put the gas pedal in. So that's this little plastic bit that we had earlier. And we're going to put that right into the floor, into that little hole right there. And we're going to bolt that down with an AP screw. All right. Here we go. One AP screw. Come on, I just want one. They give you 2 screws for, if you need one, they give you 2. It's great because, you know, you just saw, I drop things a lot. They didn't give you 2 of those little silver button things though. That seems much more likely to get lost in my opinion because I dropped it. But let's get an AP screw in there real quick. You remember, don't over tighten. Just snug it down. As long as it doesn't wiggle, that's it. That's all we want. Don't want to go crazy on the screws going in the plastic. There we go. There's our little gas pedal. Looks like it's bottom hinged. Very BMW-like of them. And that's it for 45. 46. Now we're going to start building something with some extra screws. So let's get this out of here. Put this aside. Now this is the bottom of the front seat and some bracketry. This should be fun. No, I didn't open it properly. I should have done on the side. I mean, there's no wrong way to cut open a plastic bag, really. But if there is a wrong way, trust me, I will find it. That's my specialty here. And we've got a bunch of metal. I think they're metal. Oh, wait. Yeah, those are metal. Got a bunch of metal brackets, bag of screws, and a bunch of more little metal brackets. So let's see here. They're all the same. And looks like the brackets are all the same and the screws are all the same. So what we're going to do, and let's get a little closer here, is we're going to put a bracket like so. We're going to take one of these metal retaining things and snap her down, and then it's going to be 4 screws. Oh, we're going to need more than 4 for this whole stage, assuming there's a few extras in here. But yeah, we're just going to do this. Get these screwed down. Again, snug is fine. I think we'll want these to be able to, you know, rock back and forth a little bit. That's just with 2 of them in there. Yeah, they're gonna be articulated when we're done. There we go. Oh, come on. Ah, oh, for God's sake. There we are. All right. I don't do time-lapse videos. I mean, some people like them, some people hate them. I don't really mind them either way, you know. Sometimes they're really cool and sometimes they're like, whatever. But I don't do them because then I have to put like some cheesy royalty-free background music on. I don't think. I'm going to do these other 3 exactly like this one, and we'll be right back. And that's that. These brackets are all installed, so you can flip your seat back forward. It's going to take, I think, 3 stages. Yeah, well, let me see Todd's. Yeah, 3 stages to build the front seat. So there's going to be 2 more stages. Now, this was issue 13. I just got it. Surprisingly, issue 14 will be here tomorrow. Like, I'm going to have it right away. I don't know if I'm going to do the video tomorrow on it, but I'm going to have the next 4 stages, so we'll be able to finish this front bench seat. We've got our little kick panels and speakers in under the dashboard, which looks immaculate. And we've got our awesome rubber floor mats and our little high-low beam button there and our gas pedal and our little speaker on the transmission tunnel installed into the floor. Lovely. Okay. I got to find somewhere safe to store these parts now, so I don't break them or lose them or whatever. Either way, hey, click the links below. Direct to fanhome.com to get your own Ecto-1. I highly recommend this model. I mean, it's the Ecto-1. I can't recommend it much more. I mean, I signed up for the DeLorean and it at the same time because they're both equally the most awesome things ever on 4 wheels in a movie, you know, in all of history. Mad Max car is pretty cool too. Please bring us the Mad Max car to the U.S. Oh my God, we want the V8 Interceptor, the last of the V. Okay, I'm going to stop going off topic here. Either way, click Fanhome. My Amazon store is down below, where I get all my tools and things. And you know, like, subscribe, comment, email me. I got stickers. I got fridge magnets. I got frickin' keychains. Any few pennies I make from YouTube, I just blow on at stickermule.com on getting all these stickers and things and bib bobs and all that. And if you want a nice Ghostbusters jumpsuit, go check out ectowear.com. They do a fantastic job. That being said, hey, it was nice knowing you for the little while we were spending today. And stop by soon. We got a whole bunch of other builds going on the channel. So check those out. And thanks for coming. We'll see you later, everybody. It's Miller time.